Today, I am going to talk about an interesting topic called No Health Equal to No Life. The past year was a devastating experience for myself and for our entire society. Are you wondering why I am talking this? Yes, because in the last year, the following medical problems we had encountered in my tiny village. The case number one, a 36-year-old married man had a kidney failure. In medical terms, they call it as renal failure. Went for kidney dialysis for more than 2 years. Unfortunately, there were no major hospital in our village. He had to move to a different city on a rental accommodation for more than 2 years. Eventually, he gone through kidney transplantation. The cost he incurred was about 100,000 US dollars. He lost all his wealth. He himself and his whole family gone through wholehearted experience. Another case was a 34-year-old woman had a tumor in her kidney. In medical terms, they call it as a renal mass. Sooner or later, the doctors were advised to remove the whole kidney to stop spreading the tumor onto other organs in the body. In case if it spreads, it may be converted into a life threatening event. Finally, the kidney got removed. In medical terms, they call it as renal nephrectomy. It was again a distressed experience for the whole family, but it is a different family. Then the next case was a 44-year-old married man had a heart attack, leaving the family of wife and a kid. One of the reasons the doctors advised was it could be because of his lifestyle, such as smoking, drinking too much of alcohol, and unhealthy cholesterol levels. Another case was a 28-year-old man had a lung disease during the corona period, had trouble in breathing. He spent 30,000 US dollars for his survival. But there were statistics that many humans lost their lives due to this coronavirus worldwide. Next case was a 48-year man had a gallbladder rupture. It did not function well in the end. The doctors advised that it needs to be removed and it got detached. The similar medical problems list goes on and on and on. If you take few among those cases, the human organs were removed from the body. Seeing our own organs in front of us is an unbearable pain and tears in the body which cannot be explained. It is not only occurring in our society, it is occurring in many families around the world. Remember, these statistics for a village of 20 families, close to 100 people living in a society. That is, about 20 percentage of the population has a health trauma in the village. Then think of the state, right? countrywide, and the worldwide. Remember, you may be a billionaire or a millionaire, but money cannot buy you the health. It can only repair the organs, but with a cost of pain. So, what is the learning out of this data matrix? These diseases are alarming or warning us. A. Either you wake up and do something, otherwise, I will accompany you for the entire life and provide long term troubles, or I will take up your life. In case if any of you or your family member faced any major health problems, please post it on the comment sections. I will analyze those and will provide more details about those diseases. So, what's the takeaway for the audience? Please take a smartphone or a notepad and pen and write it down for yourself. Wake up and do something to save the organs and your health. So, how to safeguard your organs? I will keep posting further information on my next video. With money, anyone can buy the hospitals, but not their own health. Save yourself, family, and the world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share for healthy world. Thank you. See you on the next video. Goodbye.